Hey everyone, my name is Siddharth Anantram. I am a business coach, I'm a leadership coach, and I work for a company called EverCoach, where I manage their coaching business. I think I heard about Coach Arya because I was looking during the pandemic sometime last year. I was looking to upgrade my skills as a coach. I have been coaching actively for the last 3 years, almost four, actually four and a half years now. And I said I finally found it important to get a certification, just because I felt like it would help round and polish my skills as a coach. And I was looking for courses, programs, certification. I wasn't really looking for a certification, to be very honest. I was looking for a program that helps combine two specific aspects, which was important to me, which is something that combines Eastern philosophy with Western psychology. And the reason why I find that to be an important blend is because felt like most courses and approaches out there only focus on one of the two. But I found that true wisdom lies when you're able to combine both of these and peel away the layers. And I think I was searching for something like that, and I stumbled upon Coach Arya to be doing one of those, exactly what I was looking for, which is combining the wisdom of Eastern sciences, Eastern philosophy, whether it's Buddhism or Hinduism or the Gitas, with Western psychology like Carl Rogers, Carl Jung, and bringing out the common truths that lay between both of these. And the fact that I think the second thing that really attracted me towards Coach Arya was the fact that the name itself, because I'm a huge believer of the participatory learning methodology, and I felt like over the years it's been lost. And Coach Arya, what it stood for, really stood out for me as a program that combines what a coach does and what an acharya does. The reason why I chose Coach Arya for my coach training is, first of all, it's like I said earlier. I think it captured what I was looking for, which is Eastern philosophy and Western psychology. But the second thing was that I didn't see any programs out there that was really focusing on systemic coaching. And I'm a huge a believer of the fact that if you want to create true change in the world, whether at an individual level or at a large community level, it needs to start from a systems view to things. So Coach Arya seemed to be one of the few certification programs out there that focuses on the systemic approach that includes teams, organizations, and speaking at that level rather than just coaching at an individual level, which I believe is soon going to become obsolete. So that's the second reason why this program was very, very interesting and attractive for me. I think the best part has been my biggest hesitation before joining the certification program was that I didn't want to lose my natural coaching style just because I wanted to get a certification done. And I think the best part about Coach Arya is it helped me maintain my natural coaching style without, but at the same time, polished all aspects of my understanding of what coaching is, and the competencies that really go into coaching. I think it created the perfect container for me to take my natural style of coaching and then polish all the unsmooth edges such that I become more of a holistic and a better coach overall. So I think it provided the perfect container, I would say, in my abilities as a coach and how I show up as a coach. Yeah, I mean, I think there has been, I mean, to capture almost a 10-month or 11-month journey in one sentence, I wouldn't be doing just enough justice. But I think the philosophy of unconditional positive regard, the what we learned through Carl Rogers' philosophy that Coach Arya really embodies and speaks through in the teachings was really, really important. I mean, I always knew of it intangibly, but I think to give a word to it helped embed it in my mind. I think that was one. I think the second thing was really the fact, the awareness that we live in a world where team coaching is becoming more and more important. And what does it really take to coach teams, and to really give you a framework to kind of look at how you can approach any team out there it was another great learning. So I think that was the second thing. I'm sorry, I'm trying to summarize 11 months, so sure, I can't give you one, but these are two things that stand out for me. And the third most important thing that stands out for me is it's um, unlike most other coaching certifications out there, we just focus on theory. I think there was a lot of learned experience, practical experience, real life, case studies, real life examples that are provided into the classroom sessions that are super, super valuable. Because I feel like as a learner personally, I was very clear with Ram before I even joined, saying that I don't learn through theory. I learn by applying theory. And I think Coach Arya's approach towards the certification is very much application oriented. It's not focused so much on do you know exactly what a term means. It's about do you know how to apply that term in coaching context. And I think I love that about the program. Few things. One, the two biggest ways I think my approach towards coaching has changed is one is it's broken a big myth that I think everyone used to have, including me, that coaching is a lot about asking powerful questions. I've realized that it's not the question, but it's the intention with which you ask the question and the space from which you ask that question that matters. The power of the question comes from that, and it's not about the question itself. So that's one thing that's really, really changed. So I don't really chase or look at whether my question's powerful or not anymore. I think the second thing is it's really opened me up to becoming more results oriented as a coach. Every session now for me has a structure, an invisible structure that, like I said earlier, creates the container for me to approach any conversation. And one of the biggest shifts I've noticed is with that container, conversations that used to take 60, 90 minutes and still not be, effective or powerful enough now get closed in half the time, 45 minutes or lesser. And both me and the client walk away feeling much more fulfilled with a clear result and with a clear action item of what to do next. So I think it's made my coaching more focused and more result oriented. And the final thing is I think it's helped me understand that the future of coaching lies in team coaching. Because I believe the amount of time that I can spend in coaching one individual, if I can invest that in coaching an entire group, it's better value of my time and it's better investment for a company or an organization or any group that's hiring me. So I feel like it's changed my focus from coaching individuals to coaching teams and organizations and communities. I think the biggest shift or the most important thing that happened through the course of the program was, in addition to the main coach certification training, I went through a training called Create Your Future, crafted by Ram. And I think that is a most powerful addition to the main coach certification program, simply because it helped me envision my life way beyond 1 year, which was the maximum I could envision before I joined the program. I think the Create Your Future program really created a platform for me to look at what I want my life to be when I'm 65, and then walk backwards from when I'm 65 to see what it looks like every 5 years, backwards from where I am right now. And I think that provided an immense sense of personal clarity, and it created a vision that I can wake up to and know that whether I'm actively creating it, envisioning it, all of that. So I think the most important thing it gave me is personal clarity. And I think the second thing it gave me was I always knew that I can only go, or I can only take my clients as far as I've gone myself as a human being and as a coach. And I think, the sessions with Ram, both at an individual level and at a group level, have pushed some of my boundaries. And I know that whenever I feel stuck, whenever I feel like I need to do the work around something to be able to grow to the next level, I know I can reach out to Ram and he'll help me, he'll coach me through it, or he'll mentor me through it, which is really, really amazing, because I feel like every coach needs his or own coach to push them and challenge them. And I think that's what I found through the Coach Arya program. I think the number one reason would be that it's done from a place of pure service to move the coaching profession forward. It's done from a place of complete participatory way of teaching. It's not, I mean, the coaching program was a journey to also self-coach myself. And I think that is a beautiful way of going through a program where you're just not learning it, but you're applying it to yourself first before you can apply it to your clients. And yeah, I think these would be the two main reasons why I would recommend it. My cohort, I think, was an amazing cohort of people who came from, we had someone from the US military, ex-US military. We had someone who's a professor in psychology and is a dean at a major university. We had a counselor there. It was so diverse. We had a CHRO. We had a couple of CHROs in the group. So I think I would recommend this program to anyone who believes that coaching is no longer a profession, but it's a skill that needs to be learned for you to do anything that you're doing out there in the world better. If you're a leader, if you're an internal manager, if you're a coach, or if you're just someone who wants to become better at communicating and building better relationships, I think this program would benefit you immensely. My advice would be that if you're still on the fence, Coach Arya offers one of I think what I think is a very beautiful thing, which is it gives you the option to join the first 2 or 3 classes of their certification program just to see how you like it. And my advice to you is join it, experience it, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. I'm sure you will no longer be on the fence. So I would say that it's probably the best investment of your time and money if you're really invested in and growing yourself in whatever role you play out there in the world.